I found Earthlight through someone who had mentioned it to me. I then went on the internet and researched it. I believe that Earthlight had done some work in the town of Tallinn, so I was aware of that. And so I decided to give you guys a call. I heard good things, and so we went from there. We were spending as much as about $140 a month, maybe more. It depends on the season, but it was pretty substantial. We got a bill for about $9.12, $9.25 a month, and so we save, if you do the math, probably around 40 to 50% of our bill.
Did you compare us with any other companies?
I really didn't, because there were, for instance, there were entire towns that used Earthlight and were speaking favorably of the work that they had done. And so I didn't have any real issues with that. Normally I do, look at 2 or 3 whenever I get a contractor, but in this particular case, I saw enough, heard enough, and just made the decision. Okay. I was impressed with the professionalism of the company, the efficiency with which the work was done, the quality of the workmanship. They got it done when they said they were going to get it done.